Hi guys, so today I will show you how I clean and polish my nails. So first, we'll need a regular acetone, put it on a cotton ball and rub it to your existing nail polish. Rub it gently until the nail polish will remove. Next is we will need a nail buffer and a nail file. In your nail file, clean the first layer of your nail. For me, I prefer to remove the cuticle because it looks very clean. After cleaning your nails with your nail file, get the nail buffer. Nail buffer will help your nails to remove the sharpness of your nails. Using a nail buffer, you can also shape your nails on your desired shape. Next is we will get the nail tincture. Nail tincture will help your nails disinfect from the bacteria. It will also give a tint that will make your nails healthier. And if you desired, you can also clean it with your nail file again. Cut the dead skin using a nail cutter so that your nails will look so clean. After we prep our nails, get your nail primer and paint it to your nails. Nail primer serves as a base coat so that the nail polish will last long. Let it dry for at least 1 minute. And if your nails are dry, get your nail polish. For me, I use OMG nail lacquer in the shade Heartstone. Swipe the first thin layer. Don't overcoat it because we will have a second layer. Next is we will paint the second layer. Second layer will give your nail polish look brighter. Again, don't overcoat the nail polish, as it has a tendency that your nail polish will easily ruin. And if we are done, let it dry for at least 2 minutes. And if you're done, we will apply the top coat. For me, I use OMG nail hardener. Helps to make your nails dry quickly. I highly recommend to use a top coat, as it can secure your nail polish to last long. And let it dry again for at least 2 minutes. And we are done. It is easy and very convenient. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.